What's going on, guys? It's Wild Moss Gardens here, and I'm back with a plant review today. And these are my plants in the seed setters. This is the tomatillos. They're all coming up. I think that's a pepper. I'm not really sure. Here's my more tomatillos, I guess. And then here's my peppers. These are bell peppers. And then I'm going to show y'all when I put the corn out later. But see how big those are? And the seed setters, and get them ready to be sprouted. This is the only one that is very, very small out of what I've done in the peppers though. And then everything else came up. So I'll show y'all the corn in the next video.